Addie, do you like good books?
Yeah.
Can you say good book?
Good book.
Can you show me how to read a book?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to get another one, huh? Because you can't sit still. Can you show Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good book.
A good book, that's right. Can you show Mommy how to jump? Can you show me how to jump?
Touch.
Yeah, Addison loves books. Jump.
Touch.
Okay, Addie, no more books. No more books. That's enough books for right now. Can you say goodbye?
Bye.
Goodbye. Can you blow kisses?
Mm.
Aw, very nice. Mwah. What a good girl. Say goodbye.